What's this? Hands off! Don't boss me! Fun! Wow! Look at her face! Huh? You look like a sweep!
Hi, girls!
Oh, hey!
Ready for a cooking challenge?
Yay! Sure thing, cutie. Stop it!
Check out your money levels.
Okay. Got it. I've got the most, obviously. Towel.
Here.
Who's that? Ah! Done.
Let's start the first task. Grapes.
Okay. That's not much. Really? Good luck with that. At least my chocolate fan is perfect. Whoa! Jealous? Delicious. I want some too. Break up the bars, drop them in the bowl, and set them aside. Wow! Time for a little sweet snack! Now grab a skewer and stick on a grape. Dip it in melted chocolate. Perfect. Freeze it. And sprinkle some powder. Show off! Servant, where's my chocolate? Whoa, white chocolate. Fancy and tasty. Time to melt it. Oh yeah. Pour it all over the grapes at once. No one can beat me. Add edible glitter for the look. And the best grapes in the world are ready. I don't have grapes. But I think I know what to do. Just pour chocolate into the mold. Close it with the other half and press tight. Now add a string to each section. And boom! Chocolate grapes. A whole bunch.
I think you win.
Thanks, handsome.
I changed my mind. She wins.
Yay! What? That jerk? Awkward.
Who likes chips?
Me.
Perfect. That's your next task.
Okay, let's see what we've got. Oh, just crumbs. I've got an idea. Let's put the pieces back together in one chip. This one here, and this one here. Ugh, it's harder than it looks. Now attach this bit. And puzzle complete! Nice! Now I've got a whole chip! Done! You guys see that? Wow! Potato magic! Totally natural. Time to fry these crumbs up in oil. Drop the slices in the pan. Whoa! Easy! Now we wait. And done! Looks pretty good. Smells amazing. Crispy and tasty. Better ingredients than plain potatoes. Servant!
Here's your slicer, ma'am.
Perfect. Starting with potato. Ew, garlic.
Ouch.
Add a tomato. Keep the garlic for yourself.
Ow! Ma'am, I'm a vampire. I don't eat garlic.
Also, onion. And switch the slicer on. Huh? What's up with it? Oh no! Whoa! Hey! Oh my! What was that? Ew! Oh no, my chip! You ruined it! Yuck! Oh, my chips! Phew, thank goodness they're fine.
Perfection! You nailed it!
You're making me blush, thanks! This is so unfair! Stop sulking. Have some chips instead. Thanks. Come here, group hug. Love you, girls.
Guess what's next? Bubble tea!
What? No, bring me something better. I think I can use those fruits. Whoa! Even dragon fruit! Cool! Pairing it with kiwi. Scoop out chunks from the kiwi. Do the same with dragon fruit. Drop it all into the glass. Pour in water and taste test. Ugh, not great. Better use soda. Oh yeah, because you can never have too much sweet. Nice! Now that's perfect! Alright, safety first. Let's go. What you got for me?
I brought the best treasures from the sea.
What else? Oh, pearls! Time for a little science experiment. First, grab some shells. Gorgeous. Drop them here. And start dissolving them. Perfect! Now add some gold balls and pearls. Mix it up well. And pour it into the cup. Cover with plastic and add a straw. There! Let's try it. Cups are boring. I'm using a balloon. Cool! Ow! Oh, balloon popped! I'm so unlucky. Don't be sad.
Who should win?
Here, try this.
Interesting. Ouch!
Oh my, what did you put in there? Nothing.
I bit something hard. Huh?
Actually, a pearl.
Oh no, my tooth!
Oops.
This bubble tea is dangerous!
And this?
Kinda meh, but fine. You win.
Thanks. I guess we skipped the tasting.
And now, time for something serious. Make pasta!
Whatever you say.
Go ahead, I'll just fix my noodle girls.
Huh? Ugh, seriously? Whoa, nice! Smells so good. What should I do? Oh, hot sauce. Yes! Give me that. Ugh. Wait, I've got it! First, take a sausage. Wrap it with spaghetti. Keep wrapping until it's fully covered. Now add the sauce. Oh yeah, that's it. Best recipe ever. I know! Grab noodles and rice paper. Add some water. Move the cooked noodles onto the paper and roll it up carefully like this. That's it! Noodle rolls are ready. So tasty. Alright, let's start. Huh? Are these golden spaghetti? What am I supposed to do with this?
I have no idea.
I guess I should cook them. Servant! Now what? Hey, what do I do? Put them in the pot and turn it on. Oh, okay. Hope it all fits. Now turn the stove on. Looks like it's done. They look totally different now. Wow! They've got a truly golden taste. Amazing. Noodle rolls rule. My recipe's better. Nothing beats gold.
Time to announce the winner.
Already? Pick me.
Rolls are great. Sausages too. And of course, golden spaghetti.
That's great! But who actually won?
I know. Friendship won!
Plot twist!
Dig in, girls!
Yum!
Well done. See you in the next challenge.